send out much love to the universe. I send out love to the collective. I send out love to myself. Gratitude, 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 gratitude. How many of you know that in the midst of chaos, adversity, hardship, I had to go find the stillness in the midst of the chaos. That is a very hard skill to learn, to obtain, to learn how to find silence in the midst of chaos, adversity, and hardship. I had to learn how to find a quiet place within my mind, within my body, within my soul. Assured stillness, assured quietness. Take some deep breaths with me as we start. Take 3 deep breaths, take 5 deep breaths, take 1 deep breath if you need to.